If you like magic, you're gonna love this tool. How to master a hidden feature for removing people in Photoshop. So the first thing that you have to do is to select the person that you want to remove. I use the lasso tool. I think it's much easier, but you can use any other selection tool that you prefer. As you can see it, you can select it roughly. If you hold Shift, you can add selection, or if you hold the Alt key on your keyboard, you can delete selection. Now, if you go to the top menu, on the Edit menu, and you go down and find Content Aware Fill. Choose it, and press OK. Like I told you, it's just like magic. So now that we don't have our person on the left anymore, we can focus on the people on the right. And let's crop the image. As you can see it, a new layer is created on the top of the original image. You can toggle on and off to see before and after. And like I told you, it's just like magic. Now let's choose a very hard image to work on and see how this tool works. Again, you choose the person roughly around the area that you want to remove. Let's go to Edit, Content Aware Fill. And there you go, just like magic. But if you can see it, we could make a little bit better. So let's choose the areas that we think we can make it better, like this one, and this one over here. A little bit there. There you go. First, make sure that the layer is merged. Then you select the layer, go to Edit, Content Aware Fill. Okay, let's apply it again. And there you go. But we can still make it better. We have a new layer, so we can delete from this layer the area that we don't want. Let's delete it. There you go. If you like the video, please subscribe, give your like, and I see you in the next video. Bye.